Welcome to the channel. Okay, guys, all of my girls, all of my guys, anybody and everybody, if you saw that thumbnail, yes, baby. Do you know about these boots? Have you seen these boots? Because they may have been out, but your girl being me, I actually recently saw these. I want to say within the last month and a half, I saw these. And if you don't know, baby, your girl being me, I love me a good piece of denim. Okay, are you here for it? Come through with the jacket. She is giving these little vibes out here in the streets. So I know you didn't come for this jacket, but baby, this jacket is giving a vibe. She too is giving a little look. But let's talk about it, baby. Let's talk about these boots. Now, as you can see, this is in my phone. Um, I want to show you girls these boots. These boots, and even, honey, even the little denim dress, okay? Can we say a vibe? Can we say giving something that I undoubtedly want to receive, guys? And I'm trying the ring light. As you can see, if you've seen, the ring light was showing through, so I'm trying to show you that so you can see these boots and see them in real time and really good. Okay, now I do know that everybody isn't here for them, but I am. But I am. I'm here for them. I think that they are a look. If you don't know anything about your girl over here, I'll tell you all day. I am into my fashions, honey. I like things that spark interest in me. Fashion doesn't wear me, I wear it. So those boots, they are a whole vibe. But let's be clear. Let me be clear in a word that I love to say over here, guys, and that is transparent. Now, I didn't know nothing about these until today, just seeing them. Okay, guys, I didn't even know about those. So, I'm showing you these because, again, these are some denim boots. These are from Givenchy. The first pair that I showed you, those are from Givenchy as well. Guys, to all of my DIYers out here, because this video is basically, I'm not spending, I think they are $2,400 or maybe $2,500. I'm not spending that, okay? No, 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 no. Me, I'm not spending it for this simple reason. Because I am an avid DIYer. Girls, guys, looking at these particular shoes that they have out, I was like, immediately, I'm like, I could do that. I could do that. So, girls, why I'm saying that? Because what I want you to see in real time, I ordered a pair of boots. Now, I ordered these boots because of the first pair that I showed you, and that is this right here, guys. Because of these, I realized looking at that, I said, okay, I feel like I can, without a doubt, recreate that, okay? So, I knew that I was going to need a boot with that kind of structure. So, I was sitting there online the other day, minding my business, and I saw these. Now, like I said, guys, in honesty and transparency, I didn't know nothing about the other boot that's exactly identical to this. I wanted this because I said the structure of this boot is going to allow me to take some denim material and make the boot kick out. On the site for Givenchy, these boots are called like shark boots or something. to that effect. And because it is a trend that's going on right now, or maybe it's been going on for a little while, or what have you, I wouldn't spend that on these. But I can make them. I can undoubtedly make them and wear them as long as I want. And guys, so that's why I wanted to do this little video. Leave in the comments, guys. Do you think I can do it? Because I think I can do it. I didn't even realize that these boots had the little lock on them. And I was like, okay. Seeing these online, girls paid, honest to goodness, 27 bucks. Okay? 27 bucks for these. And I'm going to use some old jeans. Okay? I'm going to use some old jeans for these. And this, like I said, this little company, it was online. It's called EGO. Never heard of it. Was hoping I didn't get swindled. And I did not, because I got the shoe. And I haven't even tried it on, guys. I haven't tried it on. But I like the fact that it is a sneaker. I actually really love the fact that it is a neutral. So it's not going to be hard for me to put the denim on here. And by it being neutral, I am going to put the denim on this, guys. And I'm basically going to put it all the way. I'm going to put the denim all the way down. I'm not going to expose none of this. And by it being a sneaker like this, it's going to be very comfortable for me. Very comfortable. So, like I said, girls, do you think I could do it? Because like I just said, I undoubtedly think that I can definitely replicate these and probably add some of my own flavor, because I am not the artist that decided to come up with the ones from Givenchy. But I think I can make them in a way that I'm gonna like them, and that I think that they're gonna be a vibe. And guys, why I say that, because if you are just now coming by my channel, you may have not seen, I did a little short, and this is the actual bag that I'm actually working on. And I was like, okay, it's a vibe. It's a vibe for all of it. Guys, this is the bag. Okay, I wanted to show you. I am still working on this girl, not finished with her, but she is getting ready to be a whole situation, a whole vibe. Guys, I got the bag. I'm gonna show you. You see the bag, and I have it stuffed. So in putting the denim on here, it is, by having it stuffed, it won't be tight and too small and things of that nature. So guys, I got this from a thrift store. Okay, I got the bag from a thrift store. It was just, I got it because everybody that was with me, my daughter and my other half, was like, what are you going to do with that junk? Like, why are you getting that? And I'm like, that bag is a vibe. And guys, why I said that it was a vibe was merely because of the structure of the bag. The purple, we're not here for it. Not at all, because no. But this portion, and the fact that the bag was like this. Guys, I took a pair of jeans out of the thrift store. Didn't even know, like, in all honesty, didn't know that I was gonna find a pair of jeans. The jeans were basically what does it say? It says without prejudice. These jeans were like wide leg pants, and I said, they had patches on them and different things. I was like, oh, that's a look. And guys, what I mean is I basically took the jeans and upcycled them onto this bag. I distressed the jeans as well. I put my cuts on the denim jeans, guys. I'm getting tongue tied, but put the denim, or I put the thrift store jeans in the washing machine, okay, and put them in the washing machine, put them in the dryer, and got all this nice shred right here, that is a vibe that I personally feel like. And inside here where the purple is being exposed, I am going to paint in there white, um, because I just want white right there. And here as well, I put holes inside of the denim because I did want the white to show through. So that was all intentional. And I am going to also, on the inside, guys, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but on the inside around the edges right here, I am going to paint this white as well. Um, and as you can see, you see here, I am not finished because I still have to cover up. This portion, but I think it is a vibe. So, guys, I wanted to show you this bag so you know why I feel like I can definitely make these boots as well. And guys, once I finish this bag and then I start on these boots, I will do another video or probably a short to let everybody see what I am talking about. And I'm going to tell you right now, in honesty and transparency, this jacket, these boots, and that bag, they are going to be a whole situation for me because I am going to wear them together. So leave in the comments, guys. The hair, the weave is getting in by my lip. Leave in the comments what you think. Do you think your girl can do it? That's number one. Okay, do you think I can do it? Because I think I can do it. And if this is your first time coming by the channel, hey boo, how are you? Hit that subscribe button so you too can become a part of the fam. And hit that post notification bell so you are always in the know when your girl does another upload. Talking about these DIYs, talking about what's in my bag. A good weave, wig, slay on any and every day. And let's not forget, I call myself the fairy godmother of the Uggs. Okay? So, until the next time, guys, bye for now.